the editing can't stop me from moving. So today we're off to Laconia for Bike Week. I've been there a few times, and I'm going there again today. And we're going to be up there for a few days, ride some demos. I've got some decisions to make on bikes, and ride the Kank, and maybe head around to some other places because there's some great roads up there. But I wanted to show you my cockpit for today, and here's what we're going to do. Boom. Right. Here is my cockpit of my Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. I have, of course, and you should also have your quad lock for the phone. I've got a brand new DJI Osmo Action 5. I've got an old GoPro Hero 8. The Insta360 I don't have installed yet. I'll wait for proper shots for that. And down near the bottom, I have a fender cam. I'm sure that's not what people actually call them. Probably don't call them fender cams, but it's a lower cam. I guess that's what you'd say, a lower cam. So hey, if you see me up at Laconia, say hi. Say, hey, Boomer, and I'll say peace. All right? If you've gotten this far, hit like and subscribe. But I do have a question before you leave. I'm about 2 hours late. Now, I was no press for time today. There was nobody to meet. There was nowhere to go, other than to New Hampshire, of course. But there was no crazy urgency. I can't check into where I'm going till 3 o'clock. So, and it's about a 3-hour ride for me. And it's, it's before 11 o'clock in the morning. How long does it take you to get ready and get your fanny out the house? That's the question. How long does it take you to get ready and get out of the house? In the comments. Hit like and subscribe. Peace.